Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
We've got some juicy rumors about Apple's next big thing, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. At WatchWire News, we're always on top of the latest tech news and gossip, and this one has us buzzing. According to our sources, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to launch later this year, and boy, does it pack a punch. We're talking about upgrades that could make the current Ultra 2 a thing of the past for one avid user, who's also happened to be testing out the latest and greatest in smartwatch tech. This fanboy has been using the Apple Watch Ultra 2 daily for over a year now, tracking fitness, sleep, and sending notifications to their wrist. But if some of these rumored features come to fruition on the Ultra 3, they might just find themselves ditching their trusty old watch altogether. One of the key upgrades that's got them excited is a bigger display. We're talking about a whopping 2.12 inches. That's massive for a smartwatch. Apple could also switch to brighter micro-LED screens or add LTPO technology for an even faster refresh rate. A larger screen can make all the difference when it comes to making purchasing decisions, and this user is no exception. But display size isn't the only thing on the table. The Ultra 3 is also rumored to get a next-gen S11CP chip, which should give it a noticeable performance boost plus potentially improved efficiency if Apple optimizes it correctly. That's music to our ears for anyone who wants their watch to last longer than just 2 days. Now, when it comes to fitness tracking, this user is all about getting the best data possible. They currently wear an Apple Watch and a Whoop band on alternating wrists, but if the Ultra 3 can offer insights into recovery, trends over time, and proactive tips for improvement, they might just be tempted to go all in on the smartwatch. We've also got rumors of blood pressure, monitoring with hypertension notifications, satellite connectivity, and even the potential to save your life in an emergency. While some features are more exciting than others, this user is all about having peace of mind when it comes to their tech. At WatchWire News, we're always on top of the latest Apple Watch rumors and leaks. Stay tuned for more updates leading up to the Ultra 3's launch later this year, and don't forget to subscribe for the best coverage on all things Apple Watch.